Why should you study physics? Because physics is not just a subject. Physics is the language of reality. Every time you throw a ball, ride a bike, switch on a fan, look at the stars, use your phone, take an X-ray, or even breathe, physics is happening. The wind, the clouds, the ocean, the planets, the blood inside your body, the electrons inside a wire, the light entering your eyes. All of it follows something, a rhythm, a hidden order, a law. Physics is a search for that law. It begins with wonder. Why does the sky change color? Why does lightning tear through the clouds? Why does the moon stay in orbit? Why does fire gives heat? Why does a tiny atom hold so much energy? Why can light travel across space for billions of years and still reach us? Physics is what happens when curiosity becomes serious. It is a courage to look at nature and ask, what is really happening here? Not what it looks like, not what we assume, but what is actually true. Physics teaches that the universe is not silent. It speaks through motion, force, energy, light, waves, electricity, gravity, and time. Every falling object is a message. Every shadow is a clue. Every star is a laboratory. Every machine is a conversation with nature. To study physics is to train your mind to see deeper, to search for the principle beneath the event, the pattern beneath the chaos, the simplicity beneath the complexity. And once you begin to see physics, the world changes. A rainbow is no longer just beautiful. It becomes light splitting into truth. A rocket is no longer just powerful. It becomes laws of motion fighting gravity. A magnet is no longer just mysterious. It becomes invisible fields made visible. A wave is no longer just water rising and falling. It becomes energy traveling through space. Physics does not remove beauty from the world. It makes beauty deeper. Because now you don't just see what happens. You understand why it happens. And that is one of the greatest feelings a human mind can experience. To understand, to connect, to see the universe not as magic, but as something even more incredible. A reality built on laws so elegant, so precise, and so powerful that they shape everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. This is why we study physics, not just for marks, not just for exams, not just for careers. We study physics because we are human. And humans are not meant to simply exist inside the universe. We are meant to question it, to explore it, to understand it, and maybe one day to use that understanding to build something the world has never seen before.